Puluhan tentara Ukraina berlarian saat markasnya diserang artileri militer Rusia. Video direkam drone. Pada Sabtu tanggal 21 Mei militer Rusia merilis pasukan rudal dan artileri mendapat koordinat 77 pos komando, 602 area konsentrasi tentara dan peralatan militer Ukraina, termasuk satu kamp pelatihan untuk pasukan operasi khusus Ukraina dengan personel di dekat Danau Sasik di wilayah Odessa, 43 unit artileri dan mortir di posisi tembak, 2 tingkatan MLRS baterai, 10 depot amunisi, dan 1 peluncur sistem anti-pesawat Buk M1 di dekat Mayaki di wilayah Kharkiv dihancurkan, kata juru bicara militer Rusia Major Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Sabtu hari ini.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision, long-range, sea-based caliber missiles near the Malin railway station in Zhytomyr region have destroyed a large batch of weapons and military equipment delivered from the USA and European countries for a grouping of Ukrainian troops in Donbass. Russian air-based missiles near Odessa at the Odessa port plant have destroyed fuel storages intended for Ukrainian nationalists' armored vehicles. In addition, high-precision airborne missiles have hit 3 command posts, including the command post of the 109th Territorial Defense Brigade near Bakhmut. 36 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 8 ammunition depots in Galitsinovo-Nikolaev region, Nurkovo in Lugansk People's Republic, Krasny Liman and Ocheretina in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation have hit 4 command posts, 47 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 ammunition depot near Drobushevo. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 270 nationalists and up to 52 armored and motor vehicles. Also, 1 Ukrainian Su-25 aircraft has been shot down by fighter aircraft during an aerial battle near Belitskaya Donetsk region. Russian air defense means have shot down another Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Novo-Alexandrovka, Kherson region. Also, 14 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down in the air near Slavnaya, Krutaya Balka, Alexandrovka, Krasnogorovka, Petropavlovka, Pervomaisk in Donetsk People's Republic. Popasnaya in Lugansk People's Republic, Novaya Kakhovka, Alexandrovka in Kherson region, Chervony Yar, Malye Prokhody, Kunya and Brashkovka in Kharkiv region. In addition, 8 Ukrainian Smerch multiple launch rockets have been shot down near Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kamenka, Brashkovka in Kharkiv region and Chernobyevka in Kherson region. Missile troops and artillery have hit 77 command posts, 602 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, including 1 training camp for Ukrainian Special Operations Forces with personnel near Lake Sasik in Odessa region, 43 artillery and mortar units at firing positions, 2 multiple launch rocket systems Grad batteries, 10 ammunition depots and 1 Buk M1 anti-aircraft system launcher near Mayaki in Kharkiv region. In total, 174 Ukrainian aircraft and 125 helicopters, 966 unmanned aerial vehicles, 315 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,182 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 402 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,614 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,054 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.